Wouldn't it be great if you could get everything you needed for your small business for free? Like a building for free, a company car for free, your
The following message is transmitted at the request of the McLean County Emergency Management Agency. A disruption of the 911 system in McLean County continues. If you have an emergency and cannot get through to 911, call the following telephone numbers. For the Bloomington Dispatch Center, call 309-820-8888. For Normal and other areas of McLean County, call 309-888-5030.
Steakhouse dinners for only $25. That's why we do a steakhouse dinner for two, and we do it right. Choose 2 of 5 entrees, like our Renegade Sirloin or Parmesan